Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your session so nothing is lost. Save files and close apps. If you have multiple tabs, bookmark or ensure sync is on so Chrome OS can restore them. Make sure your Chromebook is plugged in when battery is low to prevent shutdown mid-process. Once done, press the power key briefly to reveal the system menu, then choose Restart. You do this now to trigger a clean reboot sequence that clears temporary issues without resetting your device. You continue by executing the actual reboot and watching for updates. Click the clock in the lower right, select Power, then Restart. This ensures the OS closes processes gracefully. If the system is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds and follow the on-screen restart prompt. Make sure to let the Chromebook sit if it begins applying an update. Interrupting an update can corrupt the system. When the device restarts, it will reload system services and network connections cleanly. You finish by verifying everything returned to normal and addressing any lingering issues. Log in and confirm sync, Wi-Fi, and extensions are working. Reopen important apps and tabs. If the problem continues, try a soft reset by holding Refresh plus Power to refresh hardware state, or consider a power wash if software corruption persists. Backup first. If the device fails to boot entirely, use a Chromebook recovery USB to restore firmware. One key tip: if an update failed, always retry recovery steps rather than forcing power back on immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.